In today's tutorial we're going to double crochet in the front loop. Normally what you would have is that there's two strands and together they make up a stitch. So if you go in underneath both of them, that's a stitch. But if you only choose the first one, that's the front loop, and if you only choose the back one, that is the back loop. So what we have here is that we want to go into there and just do a front loop. So the first one we're gonna chain up 3. So the first one we can never really do that to, but we can start on the second one. And what we do is wrap the hook coming from the underside of the project and pushing up and just doing a double crochet, only capturing the one strand. The reason why I'm going up like this and not across is that I don't want to capture both of the strands into position. So I'm just double crocheting then in the front loop, and this is creating a ridge to appear on the other side. So depending on the project, on whether you're turning your project back and forth, it matters whether you're on the front loop or back loop depending on the design. And so if I turn it around, there's my ridge. So this is how you do the front loop for double crochet.